Pranjali Bisht, and today we will going to perform Pensky Martin closed cup apparatus. So this is again the apparatus by which we can calculate the flash and fire point of the lubricating oil. As we have done Cleveland open cup apparatus and Abel's closed cup apparatus, so this is the third apparatus by which we can calculate flash and fire point. So let us see how it works. Again, we need to fill the oil for checking the flash and fire point. So this is the assembly. This is the oil cup, you can see. It is of brass again. And this is the lid. Since it has a lid, it is known as closed cup apparatus. As you can see, oil is already filled in it. So I will going to keep this oil cup over the heater. This is the handle by which we can hold the oil cup. And this is the lid. So let us see about the lid. Let us see the functions of the lid. It has the stirrer. This is the stirrer. And again, since it is a closed cup apparatus, so here we will going to ignite the oil with the help of this shutter. As you can see, this is the open condition of shutter. This is open. From this hole, we will going to observe vapors of the oil after heating. And this is closed. This lid, this metallic lid is for ignition especially. And this is again for ignition. This is basically the supporting device by which we can ignite this primary ignition. So Pensky Martin is the apparatus which has two ignition lid. This is known as pilot burner. Actually, it is known as pilot burner. What happens as we close the shutter. So because of this pressure comes, and due to this pressure, the ignition off. Suddenly, sometimes it happens the ignition basically closes due to this pressure. So this pilot burner basically supports this primary ignition. But I usually do not use this. I use spirit lamp and the stick for the ignition of a lubricant. Now, here you can see the oil cup is covered with a metallic body. This is known as air jacket. As you have seen in Abel's apparatus, the oil cup is covered with a water bath. In Pensky Martin, the oil cup is covered with a air jacket. And at the bottom, there is a heater. This heater is then heated with an external circuit. So we are going to switch on the circuit, and as a result of which this heater is electrically heated, and as a result of which the air inside this air jacket will heat up, and indirectly the oil will going to raise its temperature. Now how we will going to check the temperature? So this is the thermometer. This lid has an opening for the thermometer. So here we are going to insert the thermometer, and through this we will going to check the temperature at which we will get the flash point. Again, since it is a closed cup apparatus, so it is not possible for us to check the fire point. Again, we will going to mark the flash point. Okay, so how we will going to do this? Since we need to check the flash points, so we are going to ignite it through the flash or ignition. So I will going to heat this stick, and will going to open this shutter, and will going to bring this stick towards the mouth of this shutter. As you can see that there are no vapors formed, so we will not get the flash point. How we will going to detect the flash point? The temperature at which the size of the flame increases, we will get the flash point. But since there are no vapors formed at this point, so no flash point. So this is the reading at room temperature. Now what we will have to do? We will have to raise the temperature 5 degree up, and for each 5 degree rise in temperature, we need to check the flash point, as we did it in Abel's closed cup apparatus. And the temperature at which we will get the flame size bigger and the consistent flame, that temperature we will going to note it as the flash point of that for this particular lubricant. So this is how we are going to check the flash point. Now let us compare all the three apparatus now, as we have finished the flash point with this. So in our lab we have three apparatus for flash point. It is Cleveland open cup apparatus. Since it has an open cup for the oil, so it is known as open cup apparatus. Here the oil cup is heated directly, so direct heating is there. Here we get the flash above 200 degrees Celsius. In Pensky Martin, we get a flash around 100 degrees Celsius or less than it. This is the Abel closed cup apparatus. Here the again indirect heating we have done. This is the water cup, and through water cup the oil cup is being heated. So this is Abel's closed cup apparatus, this is Cleveland open cup apparatus, and this is Penske Martin closed cup apparatus. In this apparatus, in Penske Martin and in Abel's apparatus, the heating of lubricant is indirect. Here through water we did the heating, here through air. And this is the apparatus in which we used to do direct heating. So these are the three apparatus in our lab to check the flash point and fire point of the given lubricating oil. Thank you.